Hello gorgeous people! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will show you how I make crepe. You will need the following ingredients. 5 eggs, yung dalawa ginawa kong sunny side up. 1 cup warm milk. A dash of cinnamon. Half cup lukewarm water. A dash of salt, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons sugar, and 3 tablespoons melted butter. I also use Tefal crepe pan. Yan, flat surface, tas manipis lang siya. Yan yung ginagamit for making crepe or mga parafa, ganyan. The same pan yan nung ginamit ko for my breakfast quesadilla. I will link down below the recipe for that as well. But basically, you can use any egg pan or frying pan. Preferred ko lang tong gamitin kasi sakto yung diameter niya. And yung side niya, madaling gamitin para mag-flip nung crepe. So first, ilalagay natin yung 5 eggs. 5 yolks and the white na eggs sa lagayan ng Nutribullet, and then the warm milk, and then the water. Actually, i-mix lang natin lahat ng ingredients doon sa mixer, or kung may blender kayo, or in my case, Nutribullet lang yung ginamit ko. And since Nutribullet yung ginamit ko, i-turn ko siya upside down, diba? So, last kong nilagay yung flour para kapag ka-blend siya mamaya, yung blade kasi ng Nutribullet nasa ilalim. So, naisip ko lang na unahin ko yung mga liquid, and then yung dry ingredient, yun yung ilalagay ko sa ilalim. And then, in-add ko lang yung melted butter. Like what I've said sa previous vlog ko or video, mahilig talaga ako sa cinnamon. So, yung dash of cinnamon na sinabi ko kanina, syempre sa akin, may extra. So, yon, i-close na natin yung Nutribullet and i-shake muna natin siya bago natin siya ito blend. Ganon. Para magkakilala muna sila, ganyan, bago sila literal na mahalo. Alam mo yun. Joke lang yun. And of course, make sure na sobrang lock na and secure na yung Nutribullet mo kasi otherwise, good luck sa paglinis ng kitchen. Voila! It's ready! O, diba? Ang bilis lang talaga. Thank you talaga sa technology. So, ayan. Sure na tayo na napaka fine. Basta at least sure na tayo na wala ng lumps sa butter natin. So, actually, kanina habang nagbe-blend ako, pinainit ko na yung pan para dire-diretso na, girl. Ganon, kailangan sa kusina, multitasking tayo. So, we'll put butter, just a little bit of butter dun sa pan. And then, 1/4, actually, hindi pala 1/4, 1 cup. Final answer, 1/2 cup. So, yung 1/2 cup yung ginamit kong measurement para dito sa size ng pan ko. So, paano nga ba malalaman kung okay na yung crepe? Kapag nakakapag-form na siya ng parang lace, ganyan, yon, it's a sign na okay na. So, depende sa'yo kung gusto mo na medyo overdone or yung medyo maputlang crepe. But for me, gusto ko kasi yung medyo toasted, sort of, na crepe. And guys, kapag maglalagay tayo ng butter sa pan, wag naman nating masyadong OA-han, 'di ba? So, tamang mas better nga yung ganun, may brush ka, i-brush mo lang ng onti yung butter. Just to make sure lang na hindi didikit lahat yung butter nung crepe. Ganyan. With these ingredients, I was able to make around 8 to 10 and a half kasi kinulang na yung last. O diba, most of the ingredients nandyan na sa pantry or sa kitchen nyo. So, why go out? I mean, since most of the people naman ngayon naka-work from home, and I think it's nice to sometimes present a very social. Ang lakas kasi makasosyal pag crepe, no? Ewan ko ba kung bakit. But anyway, diba, make your family a fancy breakfast. Ganyan. Yun. Kapag kakain ka sa labas, sa cinema, sobrang mahal ng crepe. I don't know why. Maybe because of the wood thing na ginagamit din na pagluto. Ayan, ganyan ang gusto kong crepe. It doesn't look so pretty, pero that's the way how I want my crepe. Ganyan siya. Yung makulay. Yung medyo toasted na onte. Kayo ba guys, how do you like your crepe? Gusto niyo ba yung sobrang, yung parang sa movie house na crepe, ganun? Yung ang laki-laki, tas wala kasi akong wala ako yung, alam mo yung kahoy na pang-ikot sa pan. Yun sana yung mas maganda. Pero, since wala nun, nagawa ko, pag ilalagay ko na yung mixture, tinatanggal ko yung pan, nililift ko siya out of the flame or sa stove, ganyan. And saka ko ilalagay yung mixture and then I'll work it out. Yung parang ipaikot-ikot mo siya para evenly distributed yung liquid. Ganon. It will take a lot of practice talaga para ma-perfect yung consistency, yung thinness ng crepe. But you'll get used to it. Siguro for first timer, it might take you 2, 3, 4 times. It doesn't matter. It's okay. Basta gawin mo pa rin ang gawin and mapaperfect mo din yung crepe. So, for me, I like a mixture of Nutella, strawberry jam, and fresh cream or labne. Labne is, para siyang cheese dito sa Dubai na hindi ko alam it's cheese or cream or a mixture of both. Basta yun. So, how do I fold my crepe? Ganyan lang. Simple lang. I fold it crosswise and then fold it like a fan. Ganun lang. Pwede mo rin siyang gawing parang fresh lumpia. Pwede din namang i-roll mo lang siya. Depende sa'yo kung anong trip mo. Pero ako ganyan. Huwag na natin masyadong gawing complicated. Yan. Yung iba naman, pwedeng yung confectionery sugar lang. I-tap. Ganyan. Pwede na sa kanila yung gano'n, yung crepe and that confectionery sugar. But for me, I want variety. And masarap din na lagyan ng konting fresh fruits like strawberry or banana or blueberry in my case. Yan, kasi yan ang available ay only have blueberry and cherries as of the moment. Kaya, yan lang ang ginawa ko. But for me, the best is strawberry jam and labne together. Yan talaga ang best combination ko. And a little bit of honey maybe, minsan. Please comment down below what's your favorite crepe toppings. And maybe you have other recipe for crepe you might want to share. Please comment down below. I hope you learned something new from me, guys. I mean, I know this recipe is very simple. So there, you have now a crepe, a homemade crepe. I hope you enjoyed and loved this video, and if you do, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. Always remember, guys, just cook it. Until my next video, ta-ta!